Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We had shop bright and early this morning. Cold this morning. I think it's about 26 degrees, something like that. We're going to give you a quick walk around, show you what we got going on, what's done, what's getting done, and what's coming up. So let's get started. We'll start over here on the old Musclestang 12 GT. We got the frame rail, the rear body, and piece of trunk pan welded in. Got it all welded in, ready to go. We'll come in here and clean everything up now and get that painted, and Drake's ready to start the body work on the quarter panel. You see we got it pulled out real nice, so it don't need near what it did. So he'll get that straightened out, and we'll get the rear bumper, the back body there, and the quarter painted, and the deck lid, because the deck lid's blue. We'll get all that took care of, and this will be ready to get inspected and ready to be sold. I want to say it's a 23, 24 F-150. He got the bed repaired and in prime. Got the tail light fitting good and all that. Should have it painted next week, ready to go. The Riata, got it sanded all over. Got a few spots worked on it. Alan yesterday was sanding some of the tight corners, making sure all that's sanded good, because when you can't remove some of the stuff, you've got to make sure you sand them edges good so that paint don't start peeling. But like this car right here, you cannot find parts for it, and you start trying to take stuff off these, it starts breaking. It's old plastic, brittle. But anyway, got it coming along nice. Maverick tucked away over in the corner. I think he finally got the right brake hose, so it's got brake hose, shocks, all that's on it. We're just about ready to start setting the motor in, I believe. So we'll get the motor dug out, get it finished, assembled, and get it together. The little bug, got the key switch in it. I think all it likes is being programmed. Then it should be ready to go here pretty soon. Let's take a walk outside on the wild side. Got the 2015 Altima from Copart. Got it on the frame machine, getting this rail pulled out and everything, getting all that lined up. We'll probably end up putting a what do you call that, K-member in it, because it's got that corner knocked back just a little. Got it coming along nice. It's a real nice car, 50,000 miles. Will be for sale pretty soon. If I ain't mistaken, the white one, Alan's on his way to Glencoe with it. Got it sold, so that'll be good. Not real sure on the Infiniti here. See if we can do a quick walk around and see anything. Just first glance, don't really see no body issues. Not sure about it. The Subaru, believe it's just about ready to go. Need to get it cleaned up, polished up, and maybe waiting on a small something. I'm not 100% sure. But if you remember, this is the one that was hitting the bumper cover. Turned out real nice. Like I said, just about got it ready. Just got us a little 4-wheel drive Ranger in from Copart. That one come from Atlanta West, I believe it was. Got to have needs a wheel right there. Right there is that wheel. Maybe it's okay. Probably gonna have to have the rear end, because I doubt just the axle. Usually when it takes a lick like that and breaks the axle, it ends up warping the housing. But bedside, door side, get it all fixed up, cleaned up, ready to go. Let's see here. Little Oldsmobile bubble if anybody needs one. Let's walk in the other side over here. I think we got the Oldsmobile wagon in there doing a little detailing in on before it's ready to go. Alan was doing some buffing on it, some shining. Yeah, I got it in here in the clean-up detail buffing paint shop. Like I said, he's a shining on it, getting it finished up. Gonna be a good looking old wagon. That'll be a nice cruiser. Got the camper shell in here. Got the camper shell painted. Turned out real nice. Should get it out of here next week. Get it untaped, get everything back on it, be ready to go. Pretty silver. I'm not sure what it's going on, but I believe, turn this light off here. I believe that's about everything. Got some more stuff coming in. Check out our 256 t-shirts and hoodies. Been a busy week. Got a lot to do. A lot coming up to do. Lot to finish up. Several wreck cars we got now for the from Copar builds. We got the 15 Nissan, the 12 GT, the 07 Ranger. We got the Nissan Sentra sitting out front for sale. See anybody need a good little car? 06 Nissan Sentra, 90,000 miles, I believe. Just holler at us. Everyone have a good weekend. Get out and about and enjoy this pretty sunny day. We fix to go play some baseball. 256 Garage out.